Hi, welcome to Backyard Growing SA, and your 8 vegetables you can grow in February. Let's get to it. So before you get your beetroot started 24 hours before the time, get your glass of water, get your seeds, put it in the water and let it soak for 24 hours, and then plant them. So carrots you want to directly sow. The same with beetroot, because carrots does not do very well with transplanting, so you want to directly sow them and make sure the soil is nice and loose and there's no rocks and stuff in it. And here's the seeds. Then you can just make some pots and then plant them. Runner beans, bush beans you can plant. So this is my Bloody Mary corn what died. So I'm gonna just take the beans, plant one at each stalk so it can just run up and trellis on the beanstalk. Trellis on the corn is the beans. So I'm gonna plant one at each stem. So for the next few you're going to want to start in seedling trays. So over here we got celery, and then here is the seeds. So the celery is just coming back, and you also want nice loose soil for this as well, like more sandy soil you can see here. Lettuce, you want to plant some lettuce as well. Kale. Okay, so we're gonna get some kale in here. I'm just gonna put like a few, 3 in each, 3 to 4. Cauliflower. So you wanna plant your cauliflower now as well. These 2, and then I got 1 here. For the cauliflower, I bought the seedlings. Cabbage. So before you plant your cabbage or any of the stuff that was in the so before you plant your cabbage and any of the stuff that you must start in your seedling trays, before you plant them, make sure they have 4 to 6 true leaves. Onions. So you want to start your onions late December, early January, so that it could germinate and get a nice size, because in mid-February, late February, they should be going into the ground. So thank you for watching. If you're new to my channel, consider subscribing. If you enjoyed what you saw, leave a like and comment down below what you'd like to see next, or if you have any questions for me. Thank you for watching. Backyard out.